Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're visiting with my friend Musa. We're at his shop, Hey Bro. He buys, sells, and trades video games. He's got a huge selection. So we're gonna visit with my friend Musa. Check it out. Hey Musa.
Hey, what's up, Sam?
So Musa, show us your store. Show us what you got.
Come on in, bro. Check it out. We have everything retro from Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and 64 to PS2, Dreamcast.
Oh, that's a huge selection you have there. Tell me about these. Are these like these games? Do they date way back? Are they new? Are they old? What are they?
They go back as far as, of course, the Atari is all the way over here.
Oh wow!
And then it goes in kind of chronological order. It gets older and older as you go. You got the GameCube, and we get all this from trade-ins. We get them from trade-ins. We get them from different buyers and different sellers.
So you literally buy, sell, and trade. You do that out here?
That's exactly it, man. We buy, sell, and trade. All the way up to the newer stuff.
So people will bring you video games, they'll bring you game consoles, they'll bring you controllers and things like that out here?
Exactly.
Okay, and they can just trade it out for something that they want?
That's exactly it.
That's very cool.
We kind of give them a fair market value. We tell them how much it's worth, how much we would sell it for, and how much it goes for.
Okay.
And if they're happy, then we kind of make a deal. It's pretty cool.
Okay, that is pretty cool. So show me what you got down here. What's down here in the cabinet?
So right here we have Game Boy Advance, DS, regular original Game Boy, Pokemon games.
Wow, that's very cool.
It is very cool, man.
So what about on this side on the wall and up on top? I see you got a lot of stuff up there. Look at that.
So we got all kinds of memorabilia too. So not only do you have the old school to new school video games, but then you have all the old school stuff. I mean, all the collectibles and memorabilia. It kind of warms up the place.
Right. So are you at the market every Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, every Saturday and Sunday here at Traders Village.
Is that rain or shine?
What's that?
Rain or shine?
Rain or shine, man.
You're here.
Die hard, man. You know it exactly, bro.
I know how it goes.
Just like you, man.
Yeah, I'm here all the time. So yes, that's correct.
That's my mom.
Okay, so there you go. There's
my mom. She's the boss.
She's the boss, the real boss. So, okay, guys. So if you want a good deal on your video games, you want to buy, sell, and trade, come out and see Musa. Musa is on. What is your booth number?
762, 764.
762, 764 on 7th Street. So come out and visit him.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks, guys.